What is the important point? Let us understand again. What is the root cause of the problem? Suppose that this is the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and this is the Bible, this is the Quran, this is many scripture depends on the faith, various faith. Because these various faiths, they divided humanity permanently. If I am Muslim, I will remain Muslim throughout life. If I am Hindu, I will remain Hindu throughout life. If I am Christian, I will remain Christian throughout life. This is a permanent division. From where it came? Because I read scriptures and I did not follow it. I did not practice it. Simply I am reading and not living that. This is the problem created. Suppose that, we say, God exists. Each and every scripture explains about God, existence of God. God is doing everything. All right. If God is doing everything, prove it. If I am thirsty, practice presence of God, let water should come. As Paramahansa Yogananda demonstrated, God is doing everything. We have to demonstrate. Whatever I need food, whatever I need water to drink, I need place to live, I need friends, I need anything. Try to prove that by experiencing presence of God, you have everything. But if you are not practicing, simply you are telling, God is doing everything, or I am nothing, then you will be sick. You will be physically sick, mentally sick, you will have ignorant, you will create problem in your life and you will create problem in other life. Then how to feel presence of God? Practicing Kriyayoga meditation is called practicing presence of God. Then what is the Kriyayoga meditation? In this we concentrate on self head to toes. We feel head to toes more and more. Within this head to toes, whatever you feel, tension, relaxation, accept that is presence of God. But I want a knowledge. Knowledge will come through God. Then where is God? It is head to toes, is presence of God. Keep on concentrating on it. How to concentrate? Learn science of tension relaxation. I am doing tension relaxation. I am learning. I practice sincerely. Tensing is part with the low, medium and high tension. Relaxation in the same way. I experience relaxation, low, medium and high relaxation. All right. Now I am concentrating on self. No, it is incomplete. How to increase more? How to hold more? Because head to toes is God. I have to hold it more. How to hold it more? Feel head to toes, at the same time watch breath. What is the breath? Just like is water and vapor. What is the vapor? It is water. Water present in the form of vapor. In the same way, head to toes, what we feel, it is present in the form of breath. Now I am watching breath, I am feeling head to toes, I am practicing tension relaxation. Then I am holding God. Yes, you are holding, but not perfect, incomplete. I want to hold it more. Then close eyes, in front of the eyes, in front of the forehead, what you see, anything, black color, blue color or any color, concentrate on it. Then this color, what is this? Like if water has become vapor, then from water you can get light also, you see electricity. In the same way, whatever you see, observe when eyes are closed, head to toes is present in that form also. In order to hold head to toes firmly, because God has become this, then you have to feel head to toes, at the same time watch breath, at the same time concentrate on a spiritual aura. Now you have done? No. You have to do more. How to do more? Close ears. When you are closing ears, what vibration you listen, that is important. What is that vibration? Head to toes we feel in the form of sound wave also. Now by concentrating on tension relaxation, concentration on breath, on a spiritual aura, on holy vibration in the form of sound, we are able to hold ourselves What is ourself? God. We are holding God, but it is perfect? No. We have to practice more, hold more tightly. How to hold more tightly? Then feel head and spine. Okay, now, why to feel head and spine? Because if you put anesthesia in head and spine, you can't do anything. Therefore, you cannot ignore head and spine. Okay, all right, now I decided. Now I'm feeling head to toes, each and every tension relaxation wave, then breath, then spiritual aura, then holy vibration, then head and spine. It is perfect? No, not perfect. Try to hold more tightly. How to increase tightness? Try to fill head and spine with the 5 zones: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, coccygeal. Each zone is having a special character. Like cervical is having a special character which is called eternal patience, eternal humbleness. And thoracic is having a special character, it increases infinite concentration power. And lumbar is having a special property, it brings realization of even-mindedness. And the sacral coccygeal, infinite power of mind and senses. Therefore you have to feel 5 places of head and spine. Okay, all right. Now I'm feeling head to toes, watching breath, concentration on spiritual aura, closing ears, listening sound waves, then feeling head and spine with 5 zones. Now it is done? No. Try to hold more. You have to hold God tightly. How to hold more? Now select mind. Take mind. Mind should also accept it. Through the mind, you have to believe God has become this. But mind is not believing. Then take help of intelligence. How to take help of intelligence? Do some research. God is immortal. Okay, all right. Then sky, air, electricity, radiations, atom molecules, all are immortal. Then head to toes what we feel. It is congregation of all the things which are immortal. Okay, yes. Now I am realizing God has become this, soul has become this. Now mentally I am convinced, intellectually I am convinced that God has become this. Then you are holding tightly? No, still we are lacking. Because all the time I am searching knowledge in the book. I am thinking that knowledge I will get in a book. Knowledge I will get in different kind of the food. I have to eat this, I have to eat this, I have to eat that. No, again you are missing the point. Try to believe that power, knowledge, peace and bliss, everything, past, present, future, all things is manifesting in the form of head to toes. Accept 100%, then you are holding God properly. Try to do experiment. Let us start first day half an hour. Keep on increasing time more and more. One minute, keep on adding it. One day you will reach that 24 hours. You are going to feel head to toes with the same concept. Then you will realize now you are transformed. Now you are working like Buddha, like Jesus, like Moses, like Kabir Das, Nanak Dev Ji, like Lahiri Mahasaya. This is what our aim is. So simple. To get rid of all problem is the simplest of simple. If you follow the Kriyayoga meditation is called practicing presence of God, and God has become head to toes. If you think something else, then keep on sitting days together, you are not practicing Kriyayoga meditation. One very important point I would like to explain to you. 11th chapter of the autobiography of Yogi clearly explains, if you are having presence of God, nothing is impossible. And see the Lahiri Mahasaya life. He raised Ram. Ram died of Asiatic cholera. After many hours' death, when body became very tight, from distance, Lahiri Mahasaya raised him. And after that he lived many years. Not only that, without any aeroplane, Lahiri Mahasaya used to travel anywhere. Not only traveling, he used to heal anybody. He used to stop any machine from distance. It means, who is doer? God. then where is God? It is God who has become all. First try to prove God has become your presence. Now this is, I have given you the brief summary again. Please practice sincerely and solve all problems on personal level and solve problems of India and all nations of the world. This is very important to understand. Let us practice few minutes.